Some pressured water maybe calls for a timeless classic. Just watermelon finesse worm on a shaky head. Shaky head worm. There's a little bait fish or something right there, just scared. Ah, weeds. Weeds, 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 weeds. Probably a blue geegee. But I definitely did just get hit.
Hey man, you want a catfish?
You
want a baby catfish? Are you using live bait?
No, I'm just bass fishing. Oh, neat.
Yeah, so you'll find like the spawns of like the little baby catfish. They're all bunched up. Usually like against a rock or something. Usually they like to be under here because I think like the bigger catfish will be underneath the rock. I don't know what to do here. Maybe I'll try to give them to the other guy. I was just asking whoever's using live bait.
Yeah. I have caught some good fish on live bait before. I just don't typically.
I just want to see that bluegill just disappear. That's a good fish. No! Yes!
That's a long fish.
3 pounds, 3 ounces.
Anything right here?
I just got hit by something, but it was probably a bluegill because I set the hook and it just pulled it right out.
Yeah, because this all streams down to the other ones, right?
I believe so, yeah. There's one right up here. Hello, turtle. God damn it. I just wrapped that shaky head. And there she goes. If that don't do the dang thing on the Brazos River, I'm getting skunked the whole time. Because if that doesn't catch fish on the Brazos, literally nothing will. Except maybe cut bait. Hello, turtle. Dude, wow. I like this yum pulse. It's jiggity. Jiggity, jiggity, joo. Holy shit, let's not lose it again. Just about did. I just started fighting a tree pounder thinking I had something. That was cute. Brother, not again. The same goddamn fucking... Well, I got it back this time at least. Let's move on down to the shade, good golly. It's heating up.